This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. It has a 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include an off-road package and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, side curtain airbags, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, door reinforcement beams, and power steering. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Sewell Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2425 East 8th Street in Odessa.